I hit this issue to date, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to secure your Bitstamp account with two-factor authentication, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Bitstamp account. Start by accessing the Bitstamp website and logging into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings by clicking on your profile icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled two-factor authentication or 2FA. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. You will be prompted to select your preferred method for two-factor authentication, such as using an authentication app or receiving SMS codes. Choose one and follow the instructions provided. Step 5. Complete the setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. If you're using an authentication app, scan the QR code provided. Make sure to save your backup codes in a safe place. Remember, if you choose SMS, ensure your phone number is verified in your account settings. This will help avoid any hiccups when you try to log in later. Now you're all set. Enjoy the added security on your Bitstamp account.